Listen,
What's
there's
up?
no way.
I'm with
Pause.
Smithy.
Oh my
I'm with
god.
Smithy.
I was about to say that there's no way to not make this sound cringy. Like whatever we say right now is gonna sound cringy.
It's going to. Did you
I
pause your
already
recording? Or are
regret
you still
this.
recording?
No, I'm still going. I
Me
do not
too.
have the
I'm going
patience to cut
strong.
anything. Why would you put? It's fine. No, it's fine. So you all
I
know,
know what I'm doing.
you know my patent is. Oh my god, they're doing my patent and strategy. Okay,
Are they
Zach.
already rushing us?
Yeah,
Okay, I'm coming.
Zach just act all innocent and just like knock him off when he comes, and I'm just gonna go above him.
Okay, I'm just gonna act like I'm working on our bed. That makes literal any sense. Did you get him?
Yep.
Alright, I'm coming.
This is why I'm the content creator.
Nah, that's me all day.
I just stole every single one of your subs with that kill. Every
Did you
single
get
one
them
of them.
both?
I got them both.
Jeez.
This is why I do what I do. That made so much sense. Okay, where do we go next? Green people. We're just walking people down. Doesn't
do
matter.
white. Like,
Screw
fine.
white people.
Low-key though.
Just keep an eye on our bed.
Nah, we're good. White. We ain't doing nothing.
I'm a quick bridger.
They're fighting blue.
Really?
One blue, one green just fell. The other green guy is going to blue base. He's like retardedly going to blue base. Carter, the guy was right behind you.
Don't matter.
I'm gonna go chase this guy down.
Yo,
Get
the
some
bed wasn't
content.
freaking there. It doesn't let me break it. It's doing it again.
I'm coming.
No, he has comboed me. It didn't let me break the bed. It needs to freaking fix this game. I broke it once and that freaking respawned. It was freaking.
I got one guy. Got one.
I can't get there in time.
Got them both. Got the bed.
You
Oh, I
are
died.
a
I died.
freaking
But
monster.
I'm a beast. Okay.
4
Okay, I
subs
got them
right
both.
there.
And I got the bed.
That was a 4-sub. That's what you call a 4-sub kill right there. That's 4
4
subs.
4 subs.
We both got one. Let's go. No, I want to watch this from your angle now. Let's just hope it defaulted to good settings. Since I'm sure you're skipping
recording.
it.
Okay, yeah, we're recording.
And
What do you mean
I'm
it
going with
defaulted to
face
insane?
cam.
You have like face cam or like hand cam?
Face cam, bro. Face. Like, 20 shot.
Face. Like,
Pause.
okay, we should go for blue if our base is clean.
Oh my god.
Oh no, you're going to white. Carter, you there? Carter? Carter. Okay. I don't know what happened to his audio.
Don't worry, boys. I just accidentally muted my mic. Oh my god, this guy.
Yeah, I even said I don't know what happened to his audio. Already.
Oh my
easy.
god. So, you guys know what I'm known for. That freaking arbitrage. Arbitrage
Me
update.
too. I'm getting into it.
Okay, yeah. Don't try to steal
More
my
into
thing,
it
okay,
than
buddy?
Carter's even into it.
Okay, can
No,
you stop trying to steal my wave, buddy?
I'm not as into it. Like I'm buying monitors, like on the daily into it. But like I'm pretty into it.
So I just got an offer. So I bought this monitor for 120. I'm listing
Did you already
it.
get an offer?
I've posted on Facebook Marketplace for 150. This guy just asked, "What's the lowest I'll take?" I'm going to say 140. $20
What would
profit.
you buy it for?
120. Oh my god, this guy just freaking glitched me. I got glitched.
Where?
Wait,
I'm buying a Sharp.
what do I have it? What do I have it posted for? Don't worry, I'm definitely not going on my phone.
Or this is not content. Alright, I'm going back to our base.
Okay. Another arbitrage update. The same Indian guy that tried to buy my other monitor is trying to buy this monitor. So,
Your curved one?
yeah. He tried
Why
to buy
did you list
both
both of your monitors? What if they both sell?
No, I took one down. Well, you don't have to give it to
Which
him if
one?
it sells.
Well,
I
yeah,
put up
know,
both
but,
of them. But I took
Carter,
down.
you want to go for blue? Red's there right now. Blue on like
Where
the
are they?
exact opposite side of the map.
Oh,
Oh,
yeah,
they don't have
that sounds perfectly reasonable.
I'm going over there.
Okay.
You want to stay back and be a housewife?
Yeah, yeah, I'll be a
Oh,
housewife.
red actually dominated them. Red does not have a bed. One guy just fell.
We're the
Might
only
be a
team with a
pretty easy
bed.
game.
We're the only team with a bed. Yo,
Yeah.
if this is 10 minutes, this is
I see
perfect.
a red guy.
Ooh, okay.
I see a red guy right here.
I might be peaking a little bit
Also
with my
easy.
audio, but that's fine. That's fine.
Oh, easy got last kill. I think.
Freaking
One
easy
guy.
clap.
Yeah,
Thank
that
you
was pretty.
for freaking watching.
Thank you
Let's
guys
hope
for watching.
Zach, shut up.
We're doing another video.
Let's hope this was 10
I mean,
minutes.
probably not right now.
Let's
yeah,
hope
let's
this
just
was 10 minutes.
10 minutes. 'Cause, I mean,
Even
you
though
guys,
we don't get ads, but doesn't matter.
guys
Thank you
know
for
it.
watching. We'll see
Obviously,
when we
we
play
don't get
Minecraft
ads.
again. Shut up,
sorry
Zach.
for us. Our video,
Shut-
voice is intersecting.
Don't use the word intersecting ever. Thank you for
Our
watching.
voice
We'll
is
see you next time when we play
Thank
Minecraft
you
again.
for
Bye
watching.
bye. Adios.